Hey, welcome back to Learn Live. Today, we're diving into the financial wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki with a detailed summary of his book, Cashflow Quadrant, Rich Dad's Guide to Financial Freedom. If you're ready to level up your financial IQ, you're in the right place. Overview. Published in 1998, Cashflow Quadrant expands on the ideas presented in Kiyosaki's groundbreaking book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. If you have not watched the videos of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, where Kiyosaki has told the life lessons of Rich Dad, then check the videos on our channel, Learn Live, or check the video description. It introduces the concept of the Cashflow Quadrant, a powerful tool for understanding how people earn money. The 4 quadrants. Employee, A. Self-employed, S. Business owner, B. Investor, I. In the Employee, A. quadrant, individuals engage in traditional employment, exchanging their time for a paycheck. While enjoying job security, they face limitations on financial control and often rely on a single income stream. This quadrant represents the conventional 9-to-5 work structure, emphasizing stability at the expense of financial independence. In the self-employed, S quadrant, individuals are small business owners or freelancers. Despite having more control over their work, they frequently face the challenge of becoming ensnared in their businesses. The demand for self-sustainability often leads to working long hours, as the success of their ventures relies heavily on their personal efforts. This quadrant highlights the trade-off between autonomy and time commitment, illustrating the potential pitfalls of being your own boss without establishing systems for scalability. In the business owner, B quadrant, individuals have successfully established and run their own businesses. This quadrant represents a stage where entrepreneurs have implemented effective systems and assembled a team, enabling the business to scale efficiently. Business owners benefit from financial leverage, utilizing the efforts of their workforce to generate income. Unlike the employee and self-employed quadrants, those in the B quadrant enjoy a degree of autonomy and can create wealth through the growth and success of their enterprises. It emphasizes the importance of building sustainable systems and managing a team to achieve both business success and financial freedom. Investor, I, positioned in the 4th quadrant, investors leverage their money to generate wealth. They excel in making their money work for them, engaging in diverse avenues like stocks, real estate, and various investment vehicles. Unlike employees or the self-employed, investors embrace the power of passive income, allowing them greater financial freedom. This quadrant encourages a mindset shift towards wealth creation through strategic and informed investment decisions. By understanding the dynamics of the market and making money through compounding and appreciation, investors strive for long-term financial success. In the investor quadrant, the emphasis is on building a robust portfolio and harnessing the potential of assets to secure a prosperous future. This quadrant provides the greatest financial freedom. Mindset shift. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of shifting from the left side, A and S quadrants, to the right side, B and I quadrants, for true financial freedom. He challenges the traditional mindset of job security and encourages embracing the risks and rewards of entrepreneurship and investing. Key takeaways. 1. Financial education. In Cashflow Quadrant, Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the critical role of financial education. The book underscores that gaining a deep understanding of the principles of money and investing is essential. Kiyosaki argues that without this knowledge, individuals may struggle to make informed financial decisions. The book encourages readers to invest time in learning about money matters, empowering them to navigate the complexities of personal finance with confidence. Ultimately, the key takeaway is that financial education serves as the foundation for achieving long-term financial success and independence. 2. Diversification. Diversification is a cornerstone of Kiyosaki's financial philosophy, urging individuals to expand their income sources beyond a single stream. He emphasizes that relying solely on one source of income can be risky. Instead, building a portfolio of assets and investments is crucial for achieving financial stability. By spreading risk across various avenues, individuals can better weather economic uncertainties and market fluctuations. This approach aligns with Kiyosaki's belief in the power of creating multiple streams of passive income, providing a buffer against unforeseen challenges and enhancing overall financial resilience. 3. Leverage. Leverage, a key principle in Cashflow Quadrant, involves utilizing other people's time and resources to generate wealth. This concept is pivotal in the business, B, and investor, I, quadrants, where smart leveraging of systems, teams, and financial instruments amplifies income and accelerates wealth creation. In the B quadrant, entrepreneurs leverage scalable business models, while in the I quadrant, investors use financial instruments like stocks and real estate to multiply their earnings. Kiyosaki emphasizes that understanding and mastering leverage is essential for seeking financial independence, allowing to make money work for them rather than being confined to trading time for income. Conclusion. And there you have it, a quick dive into Cashflow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. Whether you are an employee, a business owner, or aspiring investor, understanding your place in the Cashflow Quadrant is a powerful step toward financial freedom. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments which quadrant you're currently in and where you aim to be. Until next time, stay financially savvy.